I look like Silly off The Color Purple. I just stretched it out, blew it out. I'm looking a mess right now.
Yeah.
We gotta shop for the stuff that he needs to take with him to basic training.
I need 1 pair of cashmere socks.
And they said 3 pairs of underwear. Like, y'all gonna be free balling?
But it's more.
I guess we'll see. So we are at a Haitian food truck.
Yes, ok, so si moun nan ode manje ya, pa gen sa, sa fe mpote telefon nan la.
Hey, boss monkey din kon sa pate bon la, yo an ite tou. Din kon sa yon din la pou pate nan moun.
Gen bon pate.
A ki lò ou komanse?
Yon komanse a nize ayali ya. Tu pedio. Todo mundo más o menos.
Claro.
Habla español.
So you speak 4 languages?
4 languages.
Okay. I'm getting you on my YouTube channel.
Necesita hablar 4 o 5 idiomas. No sé, necesita ayuda para, no sé, necesita hablar.
Yeah, muy important.
That's an amazing gift to have, and because you can help so many people of different languages. Like he would translate for the Cubans.
Yeah. I have a dream. My dream here. My dream here. It's to have a Haitian foundation. We have to have it. I give myself 10 years, even though it's not me, someone else, for us to have it.
Good morning, you guys. So I am up just prepping my skin before I get my makeup done. I'm getting my makeup done at 12 p.m. I know that's kind of early because the pictures aren't till 6, but we check in at 4, and I can do any touch-ups that I need to do. And she needed a model. I'm thinking, hey, why not, you know, worst case scenario, I could just touch up my face if anything happens. Not that big of a deal. So I just took one of the, like an exfoliating cotton pad, and I took some baby oil gel, and I'm just massaging it into my face. I'm using the Revlon, I forgot what it's called. It is called the Revlon Smooth and Perfect. And this is like a face shaver, so I already kind of did this side. I'm just gonna go back over it again, just because, and I'm breaking out a little bit, just because you want it helps the makeup to go on really smooth. Get ready. My husband and I are taking pictures today, so I'm excited, and I know the pictures are gonna come out beautiful. Y'all, you know how, I don't know if y'all ever heard of the rumor that shaving your mustache makes it grow back faster, darker, blacker, bolder. That is not true. And then after I get done with that, I'm gonna exfoliate with the Equate medicated apricot cleanser, and it's just basically a scrub. It's like Walmart's version of the St. Ives blemish control apricot scrub. And then I'm going in with my acne free. It is a 3-step process. You have the oil free acne cleanser, you have the tone, which is the witch hazel, and you have the acne lotion, which is the number 3. All right, you guys, so I will come back. Oh my gosh, I look so darling. Hey y'all, hey. Oh my goodness, like I look so cute. Like, you know, God is so good. My makeup artist was needing models, and I just so happened to be able to get my makeup done on the day that she needed the models. So God blessed me to get my hair and makeup done for free. We are checking in. We're a little bit late. Oh, this thing is heavy, babe. We are checking in. We are so late. And I'm trying to hurry up. Thank you. So we have officially checked in. The ocean, like that is so beautiful. So special. Wonderful photographer. This a live music.
All eyes on us. Oh, this sound is like I remember tough.
Look, that's him. Man, you should get on the keys. Man, you gonna stop picking on that man. God love him too.
Like, I'm gonna give you a tip. Quit your night job.
Please stop it. They're gonna be like, he ain't saved. So we just got our pictures taken. Man, how was your experience? Well, first of all, I'm kind of aggravated because the place where we wanted to eat, or I wanted to eat, is closed. And I think all these restaurants are closed. What you think, man?
There might be one still open.
So, what was your take on the pictures? What did you think?
It was good, pretty good. Can't wait to see what they look like.
Man, I can't wait. Our pictures are going to be beautiful.
They should have been our wedding pictures.
What? And that's what we should have did for our engagement. Here, baby, can you hold these? Thank you. Yeah, I know the pictures turned out nice, and this is just stuff that we should have did when we were getting married. But girl, it's okay. It's okay because we're doing it now. It's okay, sis. I'm trying to put my mask on and vlog. Hello. Yes. What you want to do, baby? Thank you. Ooh.
Hey, hi, good. Hey, you're super beautiful. Okay?
Oh my gosh, thank you.
By the way, that's a cute mask. Who did that? Did you make that?
Oh no, I got it from one of the beauty supply stores. It was like $4.
Oh, okay. That looks nice.
Thank you. That's my handsome guy.
Getting to eat.
But yes, honey, my husband is looking like a tall glass of chocolate milk. Like, my husband is looking like a Haitian snack. Okay, let me show y'all my baby. Really? Yeah. See, babe, tell me why you don't be going to get professional cuts.
Because, they're never clean. Their equipment is not really adequate. It might be dirty or something like that, or it might have old. It's not really that it's old, or they'll have a certain equipment where it's not really lined up, where it's scratching your head and it's creating marks on your body. And I don't like that. And then when you get home, literally the next day you have like big bumps on your chin or bumps behind your neck. It's nothing smooth. That's what I look for in a barber, that they, their equipment is modern, and and when it goes against my skin, it doesn't cause more irritation. And then with the irritation, then I'll get ingrown hairs, which just makes me very uncomfortable. So I'd rather not deal with it. So I just don't, as opposed to me insulting a barber and letting them know, hey, you got some garbage utensils that you're using on my head. I just, rather not say nothing and just don't go there at all.
Alright, you guys, so we just finished taking our pictures. Look at my handsome guy. And now we're just waiting on valet to come get the Jeep. Just putting my mask on before we go back inside.
So now that you guys like your good man. Dessert? Right, I appreciate it. God bless
Christmas with some pictures. Ooh, this is pretty. Bet you want a picture right by this? Good morning. Better say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning.
We are getting ready to film a video.
You got to tie your rope together.
I'm in my robe, but I have on my swimsuit. We being fake bougie in these white robes. But you gonna have yours on too?
Bougie, we in a hotel. This real.
Oh, okay.
Ain't nothing fake about this.
So we are getting ready to film a video. What is that video gonna be on, babe?
3 years of marriage.
Baby thinking he my daddy. Don't you, babe?
With a Z.
Zaddy. People are already at the beach early this morning.
Not playing.
The beach is so beautiful. The water actually looks blue from here. Like a dark blue.
I thought we was there.
No. That's where we took our pictures at yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're about to ride bikes. And so my husband's signing those out.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It says if the tires go flat, that's a $50 fee. I was just playing.
You were good. I was like, I wonder how long it's gonna be.
I get him all the time.
Out front.
Thank you so much.
You said it comes with the locks already on there?
No, I get your
Oh, you guys are fast.
All right. Hello. All right. Here are the bikes that we are renting.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You think it's gonna make it out here? It's not. It didn't make it out here. I told you. Alright, so we're gonna go back. I'm so ghetto. He was recording me and I was twerking. Cause I'm hood like that. Baby, the sun ain't playing no games out here this much.
Now the short comes up at night.
Y'all listen, my lash finna fly off.
So special.
Hey y'all, so my husband got me. Did you get him? My husband got us drunk. I'm drunk. I done put my shirt on backwards or upside down. I done tried to call somebody off my camera app. Off the camera, I'm trying to send text messages through the camera. I only had, was it 1 cup of Sutter's home? It's cause I ain't eat and we, taking these romantic pictures and we got wine. They ain't got one in this ghetto. This is an expensive hotel.
Look, they on that Shutter home. It might be cheap. It might be from Walmart, but Walmart know how to turn up. She done put her shirt on backwards. You feel me? first like that floor.
We ain't pick no floor.
We just got on the elevator, ain't picked no floor.